Allen County News coming to you again. We're coming through the square here in Scottsville. As you see, they've cleaned the roads off. You see some of the mounds of snow that have scraped up, 8 foot high. Roads are still very treacherous. There are some cars still moving about. We'll be back here in just a little bit with some more videos from different parts of the town. Alright, videoing again. We see the state crews are out doing their job. Coming down South 4th Street. Snow's coming down still really heavy. Probably around 8 to 10 inches right now. We could see upwards of 14 inches before this thing is over. It's 22 degrees right now, so you can see on the Midwestern thermometer sign they've got there. Trying to be very careful. We are not filming while we're driving. We've got someone that's filming for us as we're coming down right at the intersection of South Court and 231. We'll be back to you with some more videos as we go. Allen County, stay safe. Allen County News coming to you once again. As you can see, the roads are very treacherous. I advise anyone not to be out unless you have to, but there is quite a little bit of traffic that's out. We're heading up Old Gallatin Road right now. I'm going to the Save-A-Lot parking lot. Try to buy some milk and bread that we forgot to buy yesterday. Give you a report on their stock of milk and bread. But if you don't have to be out in this, please don't be out in it. We're out in it right now trying to let everybody see what kind of road conditions there is, and we're in a four-wheel drive and driving very careful and very cautious. So we advise you, if you have to be out, to do the same thing. Allen County News reporting. Allen County News coming to you once again. Just went into Save-A-Lot, and this appears to be a tractor trailer that's slid off the road here at the entranceway, going back out onto Old Gallatin Road. Like I said, it is very slick and treacherous. So be careful if you must be out. Road in front of the new Taco Bell, and it does appear like they're closed. And here's a shot of Highway 100, Franklin Road coming up. It looks like there's a wreck. Yep, there's a wreck right down there. Car slid across the road on Franklin Road. We'll try to get a little better view here in just a second. Coming down back down
that red car right there just went off the ditch.
Old Gallatin Road. We've got a red car that appears to have went off in a ditch. We're going to try to stop and see if they need help. You guys okay? Are you okay? You need some help? Okay, hold on. Let me pull in. Let me pull in here. Everybody just try to stay safe. Allen County News come to you again. We've got a car that's off on the road. Good Samaritans are helping her out. So you just lost control?
Yeah.
Got a video right now of Bowling Green Road, as you can see, 231. Very slick and hazardous. Several cars we've already seen come off the road, trailers. So everybody stay in as you can. Turning right down to North Court. Back through the four-way. We're on the square in Scottsville. The state trucks, the county trucks, city trucks are all out salting and grading, but it seems like as soon as they get it graded, the snow just covers the roads back up. You can see right there's one of the city boys out again, grading on the road. Coming down East Main Street, you can see where they've been grading. Big mountain of snow where they're grading up. They're grading down to almost a sheet of ice, so there's a sheet of ice under all this snow. I just can't help but emphasize, be careful, and if you don't have to be out, don't be out. We're making a grocery run for a family that lives out in the country that's out of food. Is only one reason that we're out, and plus to show you how bad these roads are. So we're going to be heading out to Holland Road. We'll give you a video of that here in just a few minutes. Right now we're going up Vinegar Road, Holland Road. As you can see, none of the roads are really clear at all. Got a little bit squirrely there. Not having much of a trouble in the four-wheel drive. Holland Road is almost down to just one lane. I'm driving right now, right on the double yellow line. If you don't gotta go to work, snowflakes are getting bigger, snowflakes are still coming down. You don't gotta go to work, call in sick, stay home, stay safe. It's just not worth your life being out in this. Right now it's Allen County News. Okay, Allen County News reporting to you again. We're on the road, the Lafette Road. As you can see, this road too is just completely covered with snow and ice. State boys and all the workers are out doing the best they can do. But when you have this kind of snow falling this short period of time and just keep falling, it's hard for them to keep the road clear. As you can see, you can barely see the road here on, I think it's 1421, the Lafette Road. We're trying to make a run right now, a family that's out of groceries, out of kerosene, get them some heat, get them some food, and then this news reporter is going to get back at home and stay safe. So I'm advising everybody else to do the same. Just be careful. God bless and stay safe. Allen County News reporting. I want to show you once again, we're still on the Lafette Road. The snow's starting to drift across the road. Some places it seems like it's drifting up to 2 foot tall, and this road is actually down to one lane, and you can barely see the one lane except following the tracks what you can. As you can see, the snow just is getting harder and harder. It's Allen County News reporting for the snowstorm 2015. Alright, we're on to, I think, 1421. This is how the roads look when they've not been graded at all. This road doesn't appear to have been touched by a grader. It's a road like towards Anderson Market. The family that we're going to go try to help out lives out this way. As you can see, it's almost white out. Allen County News reporting to you live again on the road. Right now we're going up the old 231 down by Tri-County, going up the hill, as you can see, down to about just one lane, and really all you can do is look at the tracks to see where the road is at. It is a beautiful snow, but it is also very dangerous. As you can see, we top the hill here. Fixing to be coming by the Core, the YMCA. See right there where another car's went off in a ditch. The tracks where it was off in a ditch. Right now